Hello. After such a long break, I finally have some time to open the new Pokémon era, Scarlet and Violet. Today, I will be opening the Clayburst and Snow Hazard file set. I'm excited, let's go for the Iono card. A total of 9 packs from this special file set. We have 1 pack of EX promo card, followed by 4 packs of Snow Hazard and 4 packs of Clayburst. This will be a very quick opening. We have Summon the Arceus God for good pulls. The EX card looks pretty cool and has nice shine on it. Better than the English version. We will start with the Snow Hazard. My chase card for this set is the Grusha Special Art Rare. Sadly, no first pack magic. Our second EX card. Would have preferred the full art version. We will take it for sure. Nothing special from the third pack. Apologies on the poor camera angle. Nice Mimikyu Holo. I will sleeve it since I like this card. Our final 4 packs of Clayburst. Hope we can get something good. As expected, nothing good come out of our first pack. Nice to see a Pikachu non-holo card. Another EX card from this opening, 1 each from Snow Hazard and Clayburst. Last pack magic. We get the Iono card. But it's a non-holo card. That's it for this short opening. I had fun. Thank you for watching and please help to subscribe.